Hello. My name's Frostwolf. Pleasure to meet you. Just turn off that Game Boy SP. SpongeBob. Love it. So, what we got here is a few items that we got last year before, right before Toys R Us went out of business and closed down. Very sad. But we got some memorabilia. Got it still in the bags. I'm gonna be doing a Star Wars theme. Don't I look like I'm from Star Wars? Alright, bag one has Darth Vader, animatronic interactive figure. Let me show that for you. Unopened, and of course I'm going to open it, and we're going to check it out. Next, we have an X-Wing fighter, Star Wars. Check that out. Looks like it's a kind of like a diorama kind of staging model. Next we have Reading Adventure, Star Wars. Pretty neat, pretty neat. Has all the stories in it, and I'll go over everything about it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll get down to opening everything. Alright, he's unboxed, and we have him standing up, and we got it switched on the back where there's a training or a play mode off, and then the try me button right there. So he's very articulate. He can move all his parts, and the idea is to turn him on, and you train with him by holding up his arm and moving it. So I lift up his arm, and then the lightsaber comes on, and I have to move it around and wave it. It's really cool, and the lightsaber looks very impressive. So it's just like fun. You're interacting with it.
The Force is with you, young Skywalker.
Yes. And this is a training mode. The lights and it's like fun, you know.
If you will not fight, then you will meet your destiny.
And you put it down, kind of just turns off on its own, standby.
Your skills are complete. Indeed, you are powerful, as the Emperor has foreseen.
I guess you pick his arm up, and then the lightsaber comes back on, and you wave it around, and it makes the sound effects.
One has taught you well. That's all your fear.
Really bright. Excellent. Like, see, the wings are plastic, and the this part's must be some kind of cast metal. So the stand, should I put the X-wing on it first? Kind of snaps in right there. Cool. And then kind of just snaps in, and then you can put it anywhere. So that's cool. Yeah. There's a bit of view. It says not to turn his torso, so we don't turn the torso. What was that?
Join me, and I will complete your training.
Why'd you do that? Why'd you knock him over? Red leader coming in. You're not going to do it again, are you? Stop it. Stop doing that. Don't do it. Oh.
You are unwise to lower your defenses.
You're kind of mean, Darth Vader. That's Lord Vader to you, Padawan. Alright. Now we get to open up the books. Are you excited? Yes, most excited. Cool, he says some neat stuff, huh? Shall I help you open that box? No, you might destroy it. That is the point. I will take over the universe.
If you will not fight, then you will meet your destiny.
Alright, let's open this book thing up. I know y'all are dying to see how it all is inside this. Let's see. Alright, here we go. Ooh, very, very, very neat, unique. Sound storybook treasure. We turn this on. Or if the batteries are good in it.
May the force be with you.
Okay, got the speaker up here. Let's see. 3 Star Wars stories, 39 sounds. Here's the carbonite. Neat. So you go along this book and you read it, and then when the icon shows, you know, it shows a picture, and then you go and press it. You find it and press it over here. So the evil Emperor Palpatine, and Darth Vader have taken over the galaxy and formed the Galactic Empire. The Empire rules the galaxy with an iron fist and destroys anyone who dares oppose it. However, a small group of rebels have come together to stop Palpatine and Vader. Pictures are really nice. It's got Leia, R2-D2, C-3PO. So it goes with the story real well. Just the pictures are really, really impressive. And the book is really heavy duty. It's a hardback, and then all the sound effects are really cool. These is it warp speed or something? No, that's hyperspace jump. Lightsabers right here. Awesome. Let's see. Got 2 more books. Okay, this is cool. This is a Jedi training book. That's neat. So it comes with a lightsaber. Open it up. Just gonna poke a hole somewhere. This is also a hardcover. Neat. Toys R Us had great stuff. They will be missed. Just peel this plastic. So much plastic. Alright, so this should pop out, probably. If not, you know, that's okay. Yeah, I guess it doesn't pop out. It looked like it was going to. But still, it's a book more than it is a toy. So it looks like got good pictures still. Same thing, you read it. When the icon shows up, you press it. Obi-Wan Kenobi.
On a more civilized age.
Cool.
The Force will be with you. Always.
So training. Jedi Knights don't see the Force, they sense it. Close your eyes. What do you hear? What do you smell? Neat. Cool book. And the last one. A sound storybook adventure. Alright. Play a sound. Oh, wow, that's a good idea. It's too glary. Needs to be soft. Gotta be soft light. Soft light. Right here it shows a light. All right, the book. Sure. It's a glare. So this one is just another storybook adventure. Same thing. Wonder how it sounds. It's the Millennium Falcon. There's Leia. Oh yeah, this one sounds pretty clear.
May the Force be with you.
Nice. It's got really, really nice high definition pictures. So it goes over episode 4, 5, and 6. Wookiee, and then Ewok.
Do or do not. There is no try.
So that's what we got. Thank you, Toys R Us, for being there for our toy needs for so many years. Got books, Darth Vader, X-Wing. Let's see if we have the sound effect for the X-Wing. Do we? Anything? Any sound effect for the X-Wing? We'll just do hyperspace. Boba Fett. Okay, he doesn't talk. That's right. Here we go. Rebel fighter. That's me. Yep. Excellent.
Join me, and I will complete your training.
All right. Put this in the background with you. Everyone can see what you got. Turn on the lightsaber. Are you gonna fight the book? You're not gonna fight the book, are you?
The Force is with you, young Skywalker.
Let me turn my lightsaber on.
You are unwise to lower your defenses. But you are not a Jedi yet.
Fun.
That controls your fear. Your destiny lies with me. Obi-Wan.
There's still a plastic band or something on his hand. I wonder if his fingers move.
You cannot hide forever.
He whips around like that. Trying to get this off your hand. Ow!
Your
cut me.
skills are complete.
Cut me.
Indeed, you are powerful, as the Emperor has foreseen. There is no
Oh boy,
conflict.
he's still going. So he reacts to movement and all that. I don't know if he's
Don't underestimate the
activated.
Force.
Golly, I gotta cut this. Let's see. There we go.
You cannot hide forever.
So his hand opens up. I wonder if his fingers, like what he does. Let's see how he moves now. Slow.
The Force is with you, young Skywalker.
So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the books. We read some stories, we had some laughs, and we got to see how the interactive Darth Vader works out. He's a pretty good size too. He could be about And what is that, like 36 inches? I don't know what it says on the box. It says 31 points of articulation. I'm looking for how tall he stands. I don't know. Oh, and there was a Stormtrooper one. And an AT-AT. Oh, that would have been awesome. Oh well. That's okay. So anyways, may the Force be with you. Enjoy while you can. I will be watching.